Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math question with us. This question from the topic of exponents. Before solving this question, I'd like to talk about the importance of the playlist section in our channel. If you want to practice more of SAT math similar question from a specific topic like functions, exponents, or systems of equations, and so on, go ahead and find the topic playlist that is just specifically created for that topic. You can watch the videos, you can pause them and to give it a try to solve it on your own. Afterwards, you can check for your answers. So that's being said, let's solve this question together. Which of the following is equals to h to the power of 3 over 8 for all values of h? A is given as 30-degree root of h to the power of 1 over 8, and B is square root of h cubed, and C is square root of h to the power of 3 over 4, and D is square root of h to the power of 24. So h to the power of 3 over 8. 3 is on top. This is going to stay as on top, being on top, numerator, and this 8 goes into root degree. So when you look at it, so this is the answer for it, but we don't see this answer in the choices. So because, for instance, this will be equals to h to the power of 1 over 8 divided by 3, and if you will do the calculations, h 1 over 8 times 1 over 3, and h to the power of 1 over 24. So this is not the answer. This is h to the power of 3 over 2, which is not the answer. This will becomes h to the power of 3 over 4 divided by 2, which is equals to h to the power of 3 over 4 times 1 over 2. And this is h, this becomes 3 times to the 1, 3, and 4 times 2 is h to the power of 3 over 8. As you can see, this is the answer for it. And this one is h to the power of 24 over 2, which is h to the power of 12. So therefore, the right answer for this specific question is choice C. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.